I'll continue with the next para. That is the last one. The next day, a messenger of the king court came to the man and gave him a letter from the king. What happened? Actually, the minister has seen all what that young man have did and how he helped that old man. Everything he has observed, each and everything was observed by the present minister. So what he thought? He has sent one messenger. There was one person that he is a messenger that he used to give all the messages for other kings and other places. That is called a messenger now. But nowadays we all are having mobiles and we are sending the messages through our mobiles, isn't it? So like that, the king court came to the man and gave him a letter. He got a letter, that young man, from the king. He read the letter which said, the real aim of the sports meet was not only to test the talent of the participant but also moral character. It's not only it's meant for the sports, for talent. It's all about testing about not only for the sports, it's also particular moral characters. Moral characters is nothing but it's helping others and how we look after others and in strength and everything. It should be in that. It should be like this. It should be in the well manner. Okay. Actually, I am in need of a man who has not only physical ability. I need a man not only physical ability, not only in running and lifting, not only in the physical ability, but also qualities of heart like compassion, pity, sympathy and kindness. That is the main thing for all the people, isn't it? Sympathy is very important to look after our country or state peoples, and pity is also important, and also compassion, kindness, helping nature, everything. Kindness is nothing but helping others, isn't it? So all these it should be there for the one who are ruling the place, is handling those peoples, okay? So that he can look after my subject and work selflessly for their welfare. So he can look after my subject. My subject is nothing but the minister subject, what he is handling those state and also selflessly without taking any other help, welfarely he is going to do that work. You have successfully passed in both the tests, not only your mind test, in physical test and also mentally. I have tested you. You are absolutely meant for this suitable place. So therefore, my chief minister, who has grown old and wiser to retire from active life, has suggested me your name as the right man to be appointed the next chief minister of the kingdom. So chief minister of course not present chief minister was appointed this young man to be. He is a welfare for this and he is also fit for this suitable place. So king said that our chief minister have been selected you. Based upon his advice, I have decided to take you as a minister. So advice of our chief minister, I am going to take you as a next upcoming chief minister. The young man could read no further as his eyes were full of tears of joy and happiness. So what the young man thought? He thought that, oh, I lose my match, I didn't won my match. So this is how my dreams got fell down, and also I won't be a chief minister, so that I'll be going back to my house. I'll be daily. I'll be in next daily schedule. Everything is used to think that. After this, king called him and he said all this thing. No, so his eyes is full of tears and happiness. Tears also. So this is how. If we lose something also, we can gain something more than that. This is what we should be we should be not only in the fitness, and we have to be kindness to everyone. This lessons teach us that we have to be kind for others, and we should be in the everything. Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson, children. This is the last paragraph today. I have done this. So go through this lesson and read this question and answers also I am going to send you in the next class. Okay, thank you.